Hi everyone! Did you ever wanted to capture stop motion videos but not sure how to do it? Then it might be a lot easier than you think. In this video, I'll show you how to capture stop motion video and just like this one using your smartphone. I will simplify everything and show you all the steps for creating your stop motion videos. Now, for those of you that don't know what is stop motion videos, this is a technique where you take a bunch of photos and after play them as a video and give the illusion of movement, even though each frame is a still image. So making a stop motion video can be fun and rewarding experience. And today we will use a smart car as our model. Today I will simplify everything of the process from start to finish in 4 steps. The 4th step is going to be the storyboarding, setting up, capturing frames, editing and polishing. So let's start with the storyboarding. For my stop motion project, today I have 2 smart cars, one red and one blue, and they will race on my oval track. The red car will be the leader of the race, and at the end of the last turn, the blue car hit the red car. That causes him to lose control and do a 360 spin before he continues the race. But the driver of the blue car lose control and roll over several times before hitting the wall. Now our setting. The way you take this still image is crucial for the success of the final result. So let me show you how. For the lighting, I use my softbox as a main light and a small light as a fill light. But you can use any available light you have. You should place the light in a way that you don't create shadow in the scene when you will take your frame. Hey, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment my video. This will help me to create more video for you. Thank you. Okay, now I show you how I will capture the frame for the success of our final result. Today I will use my smartphone with the Stop Motion Studio app to help me to create the video. They have the free version, which is okay for the beginning, but I will use the paid version mainly for the remote function of the camera to avoid any shake of the camera. Like I said before, I will animate these 2 sport cars, and at the end I will add some effect with the fiber fill stuffing. To hold the smartphone in place, I will use a tripod and a mini tripod, and sometimes the modeling clay to hold the smartphone in place, or the car. Okay, we have our scene here, and we are almost ready to start shooting, but it's very important that nothing change or move between taking this image. I don't want the text to move in any way, and the lighting must stay the same, because this will cause the flicker, and we don't want the camera to move, because you will see it in the final result. The only thing that will move is what we are animating. Today I will create 2 versions of the stop motion. The first one will be simple with just 1 car, and the camera will be in fixed position on a mini tripod. Next we will add competition between the 2 cars, and I will add different point of view by changing how and where I will place the camera. But I will add some smoke effect with the fiber fill stuffing. For the first video, I will place my iPhone on a mini tripod and it will stay at the same place for all the frame. A budget-friendly option could be to use modeling clay to hold the phone. You can use 2 small pieces like this, place your phone, and it will hold in place. Or you can use a smartphone holder. And you're ready to go. On my iPhone, I will start the stop motion as a remote, and on the iPad as a master. I will start a new movie. Next, click on Setting. Now I set the number of frames per second that the video will play. We are in 4K. Next, in the camera setting. We just have to, now it's in auto. I will put everything in manual mode, but at first I will set my focus. To set my focus, I have something with the text on it. I just place it in the middle because I just want to be sure that everything is in focus. Okay, my focus is done from the iPad. Go again. Now I put it in manual. Oh, now I am in manual. I check my setting. I like the white balance. Now I am ready. I start with the first picture. Now I'll move the car just a little bit. It is very important to not move the camera or the table when you're taking the shot, because this will add shake in the video. We have to do this all around the track. The slider on the left will show you the path you already did, and if you make a mistake, you should be able to fix it. This stop and motion is a little bit boring. Let's start a new project with more effect and more action in it. For the next video, how to smart car here, the red and the blue one. Both of them, they're gonna make a full turn of the track. The blue car will hit the red one at the corner there, and the red one we're gonna make a 360 spin, and the blue car will make a rollover a couple of times. To give more effect on it, we will use some fiber like this. It's gonna be fun to see it. To take the picture, I will use my iPad, and the iPhone will be as a remote camera. I will try not to move the table and the camera on the tripod, because if we move it, we're gonna see it in video. Now I took the first picture, now I will start to add effect on it. Because at the tire, they will spin and making smoke. I will move the car a little bit. I will place the smoke at the right place. Another picture. So it's a long process, but it's going to give a very good look at the end. We try to give the effect of the tower that the smoke start to dissipate a little bit. Now we are done with the first series. I will change the location of the camera. I will put it on this tripod. So we're going to close this one, and we will start a new one. Now I will do a couple of shots with this angle. Now I changed the location of the camera to give another perspective, but we are still on the small tripod. I try to place the fiber to give the illusion of the smoke that is coming from the tire. Let's see another camera angle just before the car accident. The blue car hit the red car, which started to make a 360 spin, and the blue car lose control and start to do some rollover. As you can see, I use some modeling clay to help to hold the blue car in place. And here we have the winner! Okay, the first one, the result of the stop motion without effects. It's a little bit boring. And now the stop motion with the visual effects and sound effects, it's much better. Okay, I have completed the process of capturing all the image, and I have uploaded all of the file in my computer. I will show you my timeline with the stop motion video, and then the timeline for this video in the DaVinci Resolve Studio, which is the software I use for editing, but you can use the one you like and it will do the job. At first, I will show you the timeline of the stop motion video with the sound effect I have found on Epidemic Sound and Envato Element. As you can see, there is a lot of sound effect for this short video. Also, I added some camera shake on the car before the race. Okay, now you can see all the FX file that I have here. And this is the main track. For the camera shake, you can see it in the color tab. I have two nodes, one for the red car and one for the blue car. This is to simulate the vibration of the car when the driver revs the engine. Next, I show you the timeline of this video just to give you an idea of the process of creating a video like this one and showing you the final result. So this is the timeline of my stop motion video. On the top here you have all the clip of the video, and at the bottom you have the audio. I have two timelines, the voice, the rest is for the music. So what do you think of that final sequence with the sound effect? And if you tried stop motion for yourself using your phone? Let me know in the comment section below. I hope these tips have helped. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye.